Hi guys, here's a little video about the 6850. I decided to make a video to show how I connected the EVC2 to this card. So first of all we have a ground point on the PCB. This is connected to the ground pin on the EVC. On the bottom here we have 7 connections. So first is ground. Then we have a voltage reference wire connected to the back of the core. You can also connect this to the positive leg of the capacitors on the V-core VRM, but there is always a little bit of voltage drop between the capacitors and the core, so I decided to get it as close as possible. If you measure from the positive leg of the capacitor to those SMDs on the back of the core, you will find one of the two being 0.2-ish ohms. So solder to that one, and we connect that one to the V1 point on the EVC. Then we have a reference wire connected to the memory voltage. I decided to just use the leg of the capacitor instead of an SMD. I don't think it's that much of an issue with the memory, given it's already higher voltage and not pulling that much current. And then on the other side of the PCB we have the controllers. Over here we have the V-core controller. The wire is soldered to the feedback pin, or at least connected to the pin. I used the resistor right next to it because it solders a little bit easier. And then the same for the memory controller. A wire connected to the resistor as close to the FB pin as possible. And those for the memory, or for the V-core, it's connected to source 1, and for the memory it's connected to source 2.